Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Calendly for scheduling lead capture. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Calendly website. Log in to your Calendly account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Integrations tab in the main menu. Click on the Integrations tab to access all available integrations. Scroll through the list until you find the scheduling platform you want to authorize. Click on the specific platform's name to open the authorization options. You may be prompted to sign into your account for that platform. Enter your credentials and grant the necessary permissions. Once authorized, you will be redirected back to Calendly. Confirm that the integration is listed as active in your integrations overview. Next, navigate to the event types you want to link to your lead capture. Select the event type by clicking on it. In the event type settings, look for the option to connect your newly authorized platform. Select the connection option and configure any specific settings. Adjust your availability settings to suit your scheduling needs. Finally, save your changes to ensure the integration is fully authorized. You are now ready to use Calendly for scheduling lead capture effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.